Hello class, Samantha Miller here. I'm in the Capstone class for Interdisciplinary Studies, and I'm going to give you a couple tips on how to succeed in the class. And first of all, I'm going to start off with the homework assignments. It may seem overwhelming to have that many assignments in a week, but if you stick to them and you don't wait until the last day to do the assignments, then you won't feel overwhelmed or rushed or stressed. Also with that, I highly recommend taking notes on the readings, like keywords, bolded words, headlines, and titles, just so you can know what to go over for the final exam at the end of the semester. Next would be the blogs. You really need to keep in touch with your teammates on who's going to be posting when, who's going to be posting if you need a backup. Say the person who's supposed to be posting can't post, and you really need to work with them about and be verbal if you're noticing that some of the other teammates aren't posting responses to the students who are replying to your blog post. Next would be the volunteer hours. Get on that as soon as you can. If you don't, then it's really, really hard to find someone to volunteer with to get those hours on time. Even if you change your topic up here and there, I know I did, I would recommend figuring out where you're going to volunteer before you do anything as soon as you figure out what your topic is. For the research paper, work on it bits and pieces throughout the semester. Just set yourself a goal of, like, I'm going to do some research for this week, a little more this week. I'm going to start writing my introduction this week. Granted, you do have assignments throughout the class that allow you to work on your paper to begin with and kind of get you started on it. I still recommend you do some side work throughout the semester. Just set a plan for yourself, really, like a checklist. The last is the e-portfolio. That's going to be key because it not only affects your grade in the class, but it also is very helpful for after you graduate. It's really something to have when you're applying for jobs or to graduate school that a lot of students won't ever have. And we have the luck, I guess, to get to do this as an assignment and not just like have to do it on our free time. It's very beneficial. Try not to look at it as a burden because it's selling who you are, and it's an online resume that anybody can access, and it shows that you go the step further to put it online and make it easier for others to find you. So really take all these 5 topics to heart. Again, it was the homework assignments, blogs, volunteer hours, research paper, and the e-portfolio. Thank you, and good luck with your class. Have a good semester.